is not to stop action, but be continuously breathing your spine into your hip. See, never here, never just like frozen up here. So the spine and hip, they consistently drifting and breathing. So they never stop. So you do this exercise to me. And so whenever you find yourself in a side step, you do this. And if you find yourself on the other leg, you're doing this. And spine and hip. And if you found yourself on the back leg, you're not sitting there or up here waiting. You're breathing your spine with the hip. And whenever you find your step forward, breathing the spine and the hip. And so the best way for you to practice is to practice rock steps. First, just do rocking of your spine, and then you're gonna rock from forward to back. And change, and change, and change. So you don't wanna do too fast, because then it's gonna be a small stop, but you don't wanna do too slow, because it's gonna be nothing. And walk, and walk. And you can do a side rocks with the breathing spine and hip, and walk, and walk, and walk. And then you can combine walks, and walk, and walk, and walk, and walk, and walk, and walk, and then you can maybe translate it into your choreography if you can. I'll put it here, so you can do. And so you already don't stop yet. So pay attention to this leg. And walk. And walk. Walk. Twist. And so this will be a good continuity for you. So it's not about step, it's about just how continuous you are in this step. And walk. And walk. Walk. Twist. But you see, you're doing ends, there's always two things. There is a hip action, pendulum, and the spine drift. And most of the time, with the beautiful feet, your spine will drift forward. So you should do something like this. And forward. And forward. And walk. And walk. And breathing of your spine, breathing of your hip. And walk, and walk, and walk, and walk, walk, and yes, walk, and 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 walk, but drift your spine forward. And walk, nose over the toes. And walk, nose over the toes. And walk. And walk up. And run. Yeah, and here will be the breathing of the body.